This is Rick's. Wow. We just did a little bit. Hey, you guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to LoLe's OffRoad and Overland. I'm just here at the shop. You guys like my new shirt? I bet you guys do. This is a Loren promaster 2019. He just came here and did an inspection with the brakes, so they are still okay. He's good to go, you know. Rick is an old subscriber of Chrome's, I guess, right from the get-go. And yeah, I got nothing else to do. I figure why not do a little inspection, and here it is. And inside looks pretty good. Right, Rick? Are you happy with your rig?
Yes, I am. I wanted to show it to you. I wanted you to have a quick look.
Okay, well, do you have any...
I don't have much of a tour for you, though.
But do you have any lights?
No.
So you like it in the dark, aren't you?
In the dark.
These French people, right? So
here you can have just a quick peek.
Yeah, so here
my nice countertops. I like my nice countertops.
Oh yeah, that's pretty nice.
But it's called the Shorty for a reason, because it's very compact.
Oh yeah, nice.
All right.
Oh yeah, you got the
Max Air fan.
That's all you need, man.
Fully insulated.
That's all you need. Fully insulated, nice. And what kind of battery power you got here?
I got 200 amp hours.
Nice.
Lithium, and there, if you take a look there, you don't have the light on the phone, huh?
It's okay.
Yeah, so basically that and a 2,000 watt inverter with a built-in 60 amp charger.
Huh, nice.
That works only with shore power.
Okay, look at that. Yeah, that's a pretty good thing to do things. Look at that, hey?
That's kind of my little pantry.
Yeah, nice. That's all you need, my friend. That's all you need.
About a 14-day build.
14-day build, and how much did it cost you?
About $5,000.
Oh, not bad. I see.
Solar power and the battery. And
you also have a diesel heater.
No diesel heater.
Oh, then. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's just the controller.
Yeah, for the.
Oh, yeah, and you have the Max Air. Yeah.
If you hit the light that's under the countertop, when you touch it, no, yeah, the one that's under the shelf.
Oh, yeah.
You get a bit of light.
Yeah, a little bit of light. Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, like, hey, you guys, there you go. You don't need much.
Shorty and quickie.
Shorty and quickie and comfy. I mean, like, and I like the floor because it's easy. You can just wash it out, sweep it.
Much so.
Done.
The floor is what makes the inside, because all I got to do is wipe it down.
Yeah, yeah.
A little bit of soap and water, and it's clean again.
Yeah.
It's easy on the feet because it's rubber.
So how long you been living in this guy?
3 years.
3 years now.
3 years in June.
Nice. There you go.
Enjoy every minute of it. I think of all the money I've saved on rent the last 3 years, it adds up to about $50,000. So
nice. Anyway, plus you can go anywhere, park it anywhere, enjoy, the retired life, right?
My average mileage is 25 miles per gallon highway.
Oh, that's pretty good.
That makes it super affordable.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good. So there you guys
have a bug screen when you have a tiny home on wheels.
Absolutely, yes.
You don't have a bug screen.
Oh yeah.
You're doing yourself a disservice.
Yeah, and it's nice because you can just park it anywhere by a lake and just sit there and enjoy, right? Even if it's raining outside, So there you folks have it. This is Rick, and this is his story. This is his ProMaster. Like I said earlier, it's a 2019. It's a Shorty, a 2500, and he said he's getting 24 miles per gallon. That's pretty damn good. Can't complain with that. That looks good. Today's video is sponsored by AX Max Smart Air Pump T10. So let's get into it, and this is a smart one. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you the ASMAX Smart Air Pump T10. Now, as you guys watch previously my videos, you guys know that I do have an air pump, but this was really appealing for the size. It's a really small, easy to carry, especially when I'm riding bikes and I'm in the backcountry, this would come really handy instead of carrying something bulky. But let's see if this actually lives up to the hype. You know, also has a digital tire pressure monitor, 3 LED lights mods, power bank features, auto shut off, and preset pressure. So let's open it up and let's see what's in the store. Just rip it open. Okay. Oh, it has a nice carry-on bag. You can inflate a ball, and I guess it has the European style. Yes, it has for the European style. So because in Europe they have the stamps somehow different than we do in North America. Wow, this is freaking small. My goodness, look at this, you guys. Wow, unbelievable technology nowadays, right? Well, let's just take the screen off. Well, we're gonna try it out anyway. For sure we will. And look at this, it's a nice lock-in. Bam, we are done. Let's see if it has any power. Okay, it's on. It's on. Let's see what we got here. Maybe I'll bring you guys in, instead of you guys seeing me, you guys just see what I'm looking at here, right? I guess it's much better that way, right? So 36 psi. Let's see. What? 50 psi? No way. I have to redo this for you guys just so you guys see what's going on here. So power on. Come on. Okay, here we go. So what I was saying earlier, you can select like for car PSI. Can you guys see it? That looks to me like a quad. That's for the bike, and that's for a ball. So instead of just having one standard PSI, you don't know, you don't want to over inflate a bike tire or a ball, right? You just want to make sure you select the right things. I don't know how well you guys see it, but there is the ball, there is the little car, there is the quad, and bam. Pretty slick, I tell you. Pretty slick. Well, first, let's try it on the Mercedes. Okay, so look at that. It shows 36.5 psi. Let's see. Let's see how long does it take to take it up to 40 psi. Wow, there you guys have it. It's pretty quick. Can't complain. And didn't get even hot. Oh, the light is still on. Take off the light. Okay, let's see what's the faithful Nissan is sitting about, because I haven't checked these tire pressures in a long time. I should have, but so like I said earlier, I like to run 35 psi to 40. Right now it's down to 32 just because, you know, in the backcountry I kind of keep it like this, so it's not gonna be too shaky, but let's bump it up to 35. And yes, this is real time, so that's why I want to let this go so you guys can see exactly how long does it take to bump it up to 35 psi, which is awesome, you know. In case you need it, well, it's there and has many different purposes. Wow. There you have it, 35 psi, no problem, right? Okay, so let's try this, okay? I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll find out. Okay, so we plugged in this guy, let's put it down there. And let's get the DJI mics. Let's say we are in the backcountry. Voila. Wow, this really changes the game. You guys, look at that. So not only that, let's say I'm in the backcountry riding the bike, whatever, we are hunting, and I run low on power on the microphones. Well, this is it. You can charge your phone. You can also charge any gadgets that you have. Well, this is changes the game plan, that's for sure. Look at that. That is freaking amazing. There you have it. Links in the description, you guys check them out. If you are in the market, well, this is the right time to get it. Good morning, good morning. Wow, what a beauty, you guys. Sunshine. Time to go hit the trails. So let's grab some coffee and we are gonna go have some fun. We need to stop, get some fuel in the same time when we pick up the coffee because we are kind of low. It's only a quarter, so let's do that too in the same time. Okay, let's do that. Let's go get some coffee too. Thank you, Vicky. Loren P, thank you for the coffee. Today's video is sponsored by Vicky. Today's coffee, my friends. But anyway, wow, what a big lineup. I don't know, it's Saturday, obviously, you know, and there is lots of tourists coming through, but the gas station was so busy, the coffee shop was busy, but we are good and we are hitting the road, so I'll see you guys sometimes in the backcountry. Oh, it's already there. Wow, that was quick. Well, let's go then. What are we waiting for? Let's go have some fun. We are in the bush. Let's have some fun. Look at that. Well, here we are at the boat launch. So let this guy do his thing and then we can just do it afterwards. Gonna have some fun today. Well, let's get the boat ready and then we just dump it into the water. We are fully broken before we even start the boat. I can't believe it. Look at this, you guys. Check that out. Yep. That's a shame. I haven't tried it. I haven't checked it out. Let's hope we can get one. Oopsie, there goes mine. Let's open up. Let's see what kind of mess we have here. It's not bad. It's pretty good. You guys want to see inside? Let me take you inside, you guys. It's a ruckus in here. It's a mess, but oh well, because we carry too many stuff around. But the driving was pretty good. Nothing fell down. Everything is pretty much here. So we are good. I can prepare some lunch, and hopefully we're gonna go for a swim. But look at this is the view from the bus. We dumped the boat. Unfortunately, as you guys seen, the hand priming pump, it's kaput. So let's see if Mr. Mike, he said he's gonna come out tonight later on. Maybe he can bring me one and we can go have some fun. Why not? Well, boy, am I ever excited. Yes, I am. Hey, you guys see what's there? Firewood. Guess what? Fire ban, it's lifted. So we're gonna spend a couple of nights out here. We're gonna enjoy, have some fun. Why not, right? For sure, look at that. And I got a couple of friends gonna show up. I'm not gonna be by myself. But yeah, we're gonna have some beer and we're gonna have some fun. Just like that. Oh, it's so nice. I'm telling you guys. This is so beautiful. Look at that. Oh yeah. Not only that, let me just adjust this a little bit. You see what I mean? Just that. Just like that. Oh yeah. Just see something here. Today there is a hot tub race in here too. Well, not today. On the weekend, I think it's tomorrow. So we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna enjoy some of that too. So we have the bathtub racers here, and we are trying to also fix the broken part, right? There we go. We got the new primer balloon. Here is the broken one. Look at that. Yeah, let's have some fun, you guys. Well, what a shitty life. I don't know. I need to go on stress relief because I'm stressed out, you guys. How can you get sick of this? Wow. Right? Yeah, just lazy fuckers. Oh well. We have a new driver! Well, check this out. What a beautiful sunset. Look at that. Well, we are enjoying a little bit. Oh yeah, happy times. Well, what an awesome weekend I had, my friends, and honestly I really deserve this one. So I spent as much time I could on the water. We tried some fishing but no luck, so I said, well, let's just enjoy the sunshine. I got some really good tan, but right now it's time to pack it all up and head back, because we have to head back home because the missus is waiting for me. So till next time, my friends, I wish you all the best. I send you guys my love. I hope you guys are doing well. See you in the next one. Peace out. Bye. Oh, and just a reminder, LoLe's OffRoad.com, the store is open. Check it out, my friends. Peace out.